Once you stop learning, you start dying. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. No amount of experimentation can ever prove me right. A single experiment can prove me wrong. There are two ways to live. You can live as, if nothing is a miracle, you can live as, if everything is a miracle. Imagination is more important than knowledge, for knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world, stimulating progress, giving birth to evolution. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. A man should look for what is, and not for what he thinks should be. You ask me if I keep a notebook to record my great ideas. I've only ever had one. Insanity, doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. It's not that I'm so smart, it's just that I stay with problems longer. We can't solve problems by using the same kind of thinking we used when we created them. the value of a man should be seen in what he gives and not in what he is able to receive. Once we accept our limits, we go beyond them.